We're going to start the home inspection in the primary bathroom today. As home inspectors, there's a multitude of things that we're actually looking for. As we step in, we always go through the same routine every single time in every single room that we do. So first off, we're going to be checking all the electrical as well as the vent fan as well. And we're going to be coming through and checking again with our testers, making sure the electrical is actually functional. So this is a little bit loose, so this would be called out and put on our report. Also, when we're in here, we're going to be checking all the sink stoppers are working. We're checking for hot water and cold water. You guys would be surprised how many times that we actually find that you may not have hot or cold water at a faucet or a shower. We do find that at least several times a month. One of the most important tools that we use is right here. It's a flashlight. So as we come in here, we love to shine our flashlight horizontally, looking for any kinds of leaks. Now we can see in here we've had a previous leak in the past. We're not concerned with it today because we run a bunch of water in here and we can see it's not actually actively leaking in this home today. Can we do that? We rinse and repeat under every single one of the sinks, every single faucet, every single tub. We check to make sure all the drawers are actually functional in here as well. This is going to be our GFCI. So this is our ground fault protection for all the bathrooms in this home. So we're going to have to run back up and down the stairs several times just to be able to reset this because we do test it at every single bathroom. We're going to be checking every single one of the doors, making sure they latch, making sure they're nice and square in the frame to ensure they're not actually hitting the frame and damaging the frame or the door itself. Very important, toilets. It might sound a little bit funny, but we have to flush them 2 times. Oftentimes we will find where somebody will actually shut the water off to it. They'll leave enough water in it to flush 1 time because there's a leak going behind it. So we always flush our toilets 2 times. Very important for that. So as we come back into the bathroom, we'll be closing the doors once again, checking everything. Oftentimes we will find doors that don't latch. Just basic settlement in the home, not a real big deal. Again, we'll test hot water, cold water. We'll test every single one of these windows. This is going to be a casement style window. As we came into this bathroom, I did find something that is pretty dangerous right now. I've been to the hospital over this 2 times in my career now. We have a 3/8 inch shower door here. This is tempered glass. And what happens is we get a little bit loose on these hinges here. They fall out of adjustment. So this, when it hits this, when you go to close it, this door hits this piece of glass. You could probably hit the face of this glass with a piece of hammer, with a hammer and it won't break. The edges of this glass is extremely vulnerable. So we definitely need our clients to get in here and get this door adjusted before anybody comes into this home. And here we're checking, make sure all the wall and floor tiles are not cracked, make sure they're in place, make sure we're not missing any type of grout or caulking anywhere. That's very important. One of the most vulnerable plumbing connections in a home is going to be directly below a shower pan. Once we're done with everything that's in this area, we like to bring our old trusty flashlight once again, and we start scanning the ceiling. Now we come in here, that's just going to be small condensation. Same thing over here. We can tell that I would love to see this position more closely over that shower. That would take a lot of that condensation out of the air that would prevent all the damage to the paint upstairs.